How to rent a car in Cascais. It's easy, just follow these steps and you'll be good to go. So hello everyone, I'm happy that you are planning to go to Portugal and especially Cascais. So to rent a car here, it's a pretty easy thing to do, and also the roads are amazing. You won't have any problem driving in the city or outside Cascais, so you can go around Portugal starting from here. So first, what I suggest you to do is to just go to AutoJardim, and if you want, you can read about the location itself to find some more tips. But if you want to go straight forward to car rental, just click rent a car now or use the links in the description, and here you just enter Cascais. You pick the date, and for this case let's compare the dates with two of the cheapest ways to get the car. The first one is Discover Cars, the second one is rental cars. So let's pick, for example, March 1 to 7, so full week, and let's see what we will get. It takes just a moment to search through the site, and usually every time I do it, it always gets some really nice options. So let's see. You can see what a ridiculous price. For 6 days it's only 41 euro. Of course, you will take insurance, it will go up a bit, but yeah, it's really cheap. That's why I like Discover Cars. And let's try to pick something. For example, I always go for automatic transmission, even if it's a bit more expensive. And let's try something a bit nicer and easier to drive, for example SUV. So let's pick this one, and after that it's just straightforward. You see where you will have to pick up the car. It's downtown Cascais, you can see it on the map. After that you'll also get the address, and you pick the coverage. In your case I would pick full one, just because you can then relax and don't worry about the scratches and everything else, so why not? And after that you see the full price, and after this you will have no more surprises. That's it. You go to the car rental location, you pick the car, and that's all you pay, nothing more. So even something happens, you will have full coverage, and that's a good thing to do. So now I will show you how it would be with rental cars. Let's try the same, Cascais. Let's pick March 1 to 7, and let's see what do they have. It should be quite similar, but yeah, usually Discover Cars is a bit more cozy and easier to use. And the support is also really nice. So let's also pick automatic. And yeah, you can see there are some cheaper options, but if you go with, for example, SUV, it also gets a bit more expensive. And let's see how the prices increase once we go with the insurance. Yeah, and full protection insurance is 38 euro, which is quite good, but yeah, so the final price is pretty similar, just that if you want to reach the support and ask some questions, Discover Cars usually answers much faster, so that's why I would suggest to go with them. But both options are good. I will include in description both links, so you can use any of them to book the car. Also, what I wanted to show you that sometimes you can come to the location and pick the car right there, or you can use their website to book as well. But the thing is that usually you don't have free cancellation as you would have with Discover Cars, like up to just 1 week before. And it's a bit more risky because when you come to location, it may end up that you don't have a car available on, or only it's the one that is super priced. However, you can definitely have a look because we have some nice local car rental companies. Some of them are well known, but you shouldn't do it because when you look, when you use AutoJardim link, you are redirected to Discover Cars, which automatically checks all these available car rental companies and just show you the best price, the best option. So you just pick the one from one website, so you don't have to do it manually. But as I said, still you can have a look around, or you can just look for reviews. For example, if Discover Cars will let you choose hertz in Cascais, you just can look for the review. So it's quite good review, not many of them, but still. So you know what you'll deal with and what customer experience you will have. So I will show you now what happens after you book and pay. I will show an example I did with Madeira, how the voucher will look like and what you should do next, and some valuable tips, especially in Portugal, that you can use. Take the voucher with you or download it and go to the car rental company. Before picking up your car, make pictures, make videos, just to be safe and have proof that you didn't make scratches or any bumps. Also, some things to know: for the best price you have to have experience of 1 or 2 years, and also if you need a child seat you have to pay extra. And of course, no alcohol behind the wheel. So that's pretty much it. Have fun in Portugal and thanks for watching.